Guys, I wanted to show you these magnetic clips that I use to make different jewelry. My kids and I love crafting and making jewelry, and so do my daughter's friends. So when they come over, I like to have really great supplies for them like this. So I love this one because it's magnetic, and the magnet works really nicely. It's very strong. We haven't had any problems with them. We've used a ton. We're actually only down to 2 because of how often we've been using them. Here it is on my son's bracelet that he made. So again, like, he loves that it's magnetic and it's really easy to use. It comes in gold and silver. It has the 2 different clasps on each side and then the magnet in the middle. If you're looking for, you know, different jewelry making supplies, I find this one's just easy for my kids, especially if like they have small hands, or maybe an older adult, or even for myself. Sometimes these clips can be a little annoying to use. So you can also just use the magnetic part. Definitely happy with this product.